Hello students, today we will talk about cryptography. Now what is cryptography? It is nothing but an art of hidden to hide the information, or it is the art of secret writing. Now first of all we will discuss about why we need cryptography. Now these are the four parameters or principles of cryptography. First one is the confidentiality, means whatever data we send, whatever data sender send to the receiver, it should be confident in between the sender and the receiver. Second one is the integrity. Integrity means no one can change or alter that data. It should be integrate from source to destination. No one can change that data. Third one is the authentication. Authentication means data should be from the authentic user. Data comes from the authentic user, or the information should be there from authentic user. For that we are using the password and all. Fourth one is the non-repudiation. Non-repudiation means sender cannot deny about the data sent. So this is about the non-repudiation. So confidentiality, integrity, authentication and non-repudiation are the principles of cryptography. Now we will see how the cryptography going on. Now see, at the sender side what happened. First one is the initial message. For example, suppose we want to send, we want to hide the password. So password is called as a plain text. That password is here there is one encryption function. A key is used in the encryption function and the password is converted into ciphertext. So suppose password is 1234, then it is converted into ciphertext as XYZW, so that no one can understand that it is 1234. Now what happened at the receiver end? At the receiver end, this ciphertext XYZW converted into again plain text, and here decryption function is used. Here decryption function is used and a decryption key is used. So at the sender, so the original message is called as a plain text and the converted message is called as a ciphertext. Then at the receiver side, the ciphertext is again converted into plain text. Now we will discuss about what are the different types of cryptography technique. There are two types of cryptography technique. First one is called as a symmetric cryptography and second one is the asymmetric cryptography. Now what is this symmetric cryptography? In symmetric cryptography, the sender and the receiver share the same key here. The sender and the receiver receives same key. And another one is what is asymmetric cryptography. In asymmetric cryptography, the sender's key is different. Two keys are used. One is the public key and another one is the private key. So here a public key is used for the encryption at the sender side, and it is public key is public for all, and plain text is converted into ciphertext. But at the receiver end, the key is the receiver has its secret key, and using the secret key, the ciphertext is again converted into plain text. And for generation of this secret key, various mathematical foundations are used in asymmetric key cryptography. So in this way, in cryptography there are symmetric key cryptography and asymmetric key cryptography. Next part we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.